Google Trends does offer some interesting insights into the most searched products. Okay, guys, we're getting ahead of the competition. This is why you have to follow and subscribe to the channel. You just learned something very easy for free that you probably it will cost you hours and hours and hours to learn about. Okay, let's see. Here is the glimpse based on various regions and categories. This is the global category. Okay, air purifiers. Okay, sustainable and eco-friendly products. Okay, the reusable water bottle, we saw that. Smart home devices. The popularity of the smart home technology continues to grow with searches and devices like thermostats, lighting systems, doorbell seeing significant increase. Gaming, laptops and consoles. With the release of new consoles, more powerful laptops. Searches for these products are particularly high among younger demographics. Okay, guys, now we're getting into the most important part, the United States searches, okay? Peloton bikes. This is surprising. We all know Peloton, it's down big time. The stock has lost 80% of its value